Matthew 5 verse 6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Also, like God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Hi there everyone. If you are new or already a part of my YouTube family, I would like to say welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Erica. So this is the final results of my install. Honestly, I have to continue reminding myself that this is not my real hair. Like, look at that. So this is literally what my hair looks like when I do a wash and go, except of course I don't have this length, right? So I just thought when I tried or attempted this, I just honestly thought that it was perfect. I don't know if over time, if this volume is gonna go. I hope, I kind of do, but if it doesn't, it's all good. I purchased one pack of this hair and it was 24-inch, and there was 3 bundles within the one pack, and I used the entire pack with this install. What I noticed with this hair is, I mean, it's meant for passion twist, right? Yeah, what I do notice and what I encountered while I was trying to detangle it and apply the gel to this hair, I noticed that there was a lot of shedding going on, but I don't know. I mean, it's gonna happen, right? I paid $15 plus tax with this hair, for this hair. And I installed a color number 2. With my cornrows, I have them going all the way back, and I have the perimeter of my hair. So starting from here and a portion of the back is out. Doing this install, I noticed that I really didn't have to do any leave out, because honestly, like I was saying, like if you guys can see right here, it's just my edges, and really right. For my nightly routine, what I will try is I will twist this maybe in about like 3 sections. I will twist this, and I think I'm going to spray it with a bit of water, and I'm just I'm gonna try not to, I'm trying to separate it at the same time, and then just twist it as I go. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply water to it because it feels a bit dry, and then tie it down and see what it will look like over time. Yeah, so I just really wanted to show you guys this install, and I hope you guys like it. For this install, I used the X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist in 20-inch. So far, I've already gone ahead and used 2 bundles from that one pack, and I've completed half my head. And guys, as you can see, my cornrows are nothing special. It just goes basically almost all the way back, and then of course my leave out there at the back and at the sides.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me, dreams I had for years all came down on me, trust gave in on on me. Else came in on me. Love gave in on me. But in my mind, I'm alive. Alive, alive, alive. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion. Hope fell down on me. People gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me. Everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me. Rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way. Lights went out on me. Change caved in on me. Nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm alive.
So this part's gonna be a bit tedious.
Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion, give. I give. Like a champion, I survive. I am champion, time giving on me, everything hard on me.
Honestly, you gotta have patience for this part. I'm using the gel.
Time giving on me, everything hard on me.
And break it through there.
All rocked out on me, death ran out on me, rocks rained down on me, pain all in my way.
Just like you would if you're doing a wash and go.
Unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on the night and by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you, feeling better since you brought me here.
you so much for watching. If you enjoy videos like these, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and subscribe, and God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Until then, bye guys.